Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, first of all, let me say it's a pleasure serving you. Thank you for letting me serve you. Okay, give it a thumbs up. You're gonna like it. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe, and comment and let me know what you're thinking and how you like it, okay? Alright, so I want to show you how to cook some mushroom egg noodles with mushroom egg noodles with chicken and vegetables. Oh, you're going to love all the different colors of the vegetables. You know, I'm trying to bring in all the nutrition that you would need in the course of a day, if possible, besides fruit. You'd have to eat some fruit, but other than that, I got the different colors for you, and that's how we're supposed to eat. Let our eyes dictate to us what we need nutritionally, okay, in regards to vegetables. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I have here mushroom egg noodles. Mushroom egg noodles, okay? My water's already boiling back here with some olive oil in it. I'm going to put the mushroom egg noodles in. And let me just stir that so it can break up. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about maybe 5 minutes. Okay, in this frying pan here, I have olive oil already in it. As you can see, I use very, very little olive oil at a time. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm going to start compiling what we have. Okay, the first thing I have is some scallions. Scallions is in the onion family, okay? I'm going to put that in. Along with, I have some red pepper. Orange pepper. These are all sweet peppers. Green peppers. I have 2 cloves of garlic right here. Okay, now I have here some mushrooms. These are called seafood mushrooms. Let me show you what it looks like. I cut it in half. So this is what it looks like before I cut it in half. Okay, this is called seafood mushroom, and it has some roots and stuff at the bottom. I cut that off. Okay, so I'm gonna put the mushrooms and the broccoli in later once this starts cooking good. Okay, let's check on our mushroom egg noodles. No, not yet. It hasn't been 5 minutes, but I just wanted to check. Okay, I'm going to put some olive oil on the top of the vegetables. Okay, I'm going to cover that and let that really start cooking good. Okay. Now let's see. Now these mushroom egg noodles will not take long because they're very, very thin So I'm taking one out to taste it right now. Nope, it's not ready. Not ready. I'll put the cover back on that. Okay, so I'll be back in 5 minutes. Thanks. Okay, I just tasted the mushroom egg noodle. It's not quite ready yet. It has been cooking 5 minutes. So I'm going to check that in 1 second. Okay, so now I'm going to add the broccoli to the peppers and garlic. And the mushrooms. Wow, look at those colors, guys. Okay, let me add some, I don't need garlic, I have that. I want to do some black pepper. I'm not going to put any salt because I'm going to put soy sauce on the whole dish. Okay, I'm going to remove the egg noodles, the mushroom egg noodles. I just want to taste one last time, make sure that they're the way I want it. I don't want it too soft and I don't want it too hard. I want it al dente. Yes, guys, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water off. I'm going to rinse it in a strain. I'm going to put it in a colander. I'm going to rinse it with cold water until the cooking temperature have died down, okay? And then I'm going to bring it back, alright? Be right back. Okay, I took the vegetables out. As you can see, this one still got a nice bright color. When you cook green vegetables, you want the color to still be a bright green, not gray color. Okay, that's how you'll know that it's not overcooked. Okay. So now, I'm going to cook our chicken, putting some olive oil in the pan. You'll notice that I did not wash the frying pan. I want to leave that goodness in there. That's 3 chicken thighs cut up. 3 chicken thighs. I'm going to put some oil on the top. Get those juices flowing. And I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to cover that, and while that's cooking, I'm going to give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is be sure. Be sure. Be sure that you want what you wish. Be sure that you can make things happen the way you want them to happen. Be sure that you can pay your bills before you go broke. Be sure you have enough gas in your car to get to your destination. Be sure before you plan a trip that you can afford it. Be sure is the word of the day. I would like for you to do that practice and answer those questions for yourself. Be sure is the word of the day. Okay, let's check on our chicken. Okay, so our chicken is done. That took about 7 minutes or so. Here's the mushroom egg noodles here in the colander that I told you I would strain it in. Show you. Okay? Okay. So now we're going to put the egg noodles in and the vegetables. Okay, and the vegetables. Okay, and I have some low sodium soy sauce that I'm going to start with. I might just leave it with low sodium. I'll see if it gets the color I'm looking for. No, I don't think so. So I'm going to add a little of the regular soy sauce that's not low sodium, just to make it a little darker. I'm turning my fire up. Okay, I want to taste to see what I'm missing. Tastes good. I'm going to put a little more soy sauce of the regular soy sauce. I do want to add some black pepper. And a dash of more garlic. I think that'll do it. How about this? Now that's a nice Chinese dish. Okay? Alright, let me plate it up for you. Okay guys, I'm proud to show you this. Okay, let's call this Chinese style egg mushroom, let me see. Chinese style mushroom egg noodle chicken vegetable delight. That sound good? Okay, we'll see. Let me show you though. Will you look at that? Oh, bring that to the table. Huh? All right. And just so that you'll know, the bag of mushrooms was $1.99. I used a half of an orange pepper, a half of a green pepper, a half of a red pepper, a half a cup of scallions, which the scallions was 99 cents, so that's about 50 cents worth of scallions. Okay, so that's my total cost, guys. Thanks for hanging around. Talk to you soon. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.